Put me with a new chroma, I guess. So far.
Full breath.
Shut off.
Cold.
I hope I saw this.
What?
It's just a laugh.
Yeah, I don't blame him.
This is the sound of a man holding a cow. Like what?
Is this guy good?
Yo. This man's a really dumb.
Dude, I'm gonna cough like that from laughing.